This is Tristan Sill. It's the 21st of June 2011. It's about 1:20 in the afternoon. And we're going to be via bicycle. And take care of some business. And I wanted to videotape a little bit so that my friends and family back in the States could see exactly what's going on here. When the tide goes down, it reveals a large portion of the reef, and I understand it to be the case that geographers have had a difficult time in ascertaining the amount of land to be counted in geographical statistics when it comes to measuring acreage, square acreage, just because so much land is revealed. I believe in some cases that the size of islands can actually be doubled when the reef is exposed. But I think it doesn't really count as land because, as you can see, the water comes back up and covers the reef once more as soon as it's uncovered. So anyway, this is the Causeway, and it's traveled by bicycle. These are the potholes here, which one must be wary of, because they can damage vehicles and cause for a very unpleasant ride. This is a fairly smooth part of the Causeway, and I enjoy this area because it is smooth riding. But you can see the rubble that lines the Causeway. It's pretty tremendous. This all comes up as a result of water which sometimes splashes up onto the Causeway. There have been cases in which it actually covers the